This past month has been packed with model launches and new product updates. And in this episode, we're also going to answer some of your questions. So hold on to your keyboards and get ready for launch. Welcome back to Mission Report. This is our second episode, and we have a lot of exciting things to highlight. First, we launched 2 new models in Antigravity. Nano Banana 2 continues to deliver pro-level images, but at faster speeds. This model demonstrates improved intelligence through more reliable text rendering, localization, and factual grounding utilizing image search. Seamlessly generate high-quality images for your apps. Gemini 3.1 Pro brings our most advanced reasoning and intelligence to your development workflow. This model excels at planning for complex, long-horizon tasks. For projects that need more than just a simple, straightforward answer, use Gemini 3.1 Pro. We've heard your feedback and added a model quota dashboard. Easily check what quotas you have available for what models in real time. We've also made some cool UI UX updates. One of my favorites is that you can now easily download artifacts locally. Save your artifacts with just one click. Be sure to check the changelog for the latest updates. Last episode, we mentioned the release of agent skills. This month, we released a video that went deeper into how to create them and how to integrate them into your workflow. Let us know in the comments what type of skills you've been making. Want to learn more about implementation plans? In our demo, we walk through the process of asking the agent to build a plan, as well as the steps for adding and reviewing comments to ensure you get the results you want. Another cool one was our screenshot to UI video. Start with screenshots or even drawings and instantly turn mockups into working prototypes. And lastly, one of our users created a cool national park visualizer using Antigravity. Learn and get logistical information about all 63 national parks in one place. And now we're going to answer some questions from you. First question. After I complete a project, I ask Antigravity to create a retrospective folder containing the following MD files: issues, mistakes, lesson learned, best practices, etc. I guess this isn't as much a question, but it is a really good point. One of my favorite things to do is after having a full conversation with an agent where I might have learned some things about my code base or my style of working, I just ask it to generate skills for me. And I think that's an underrated way of using the agent to actually generate the content that you need to use the agent more in the future. Next question. What is the difference between Gemini 3 high planning/fast versus Gemini 3 low planning/fast? Great question. So there are 2 axes here. There's low/high, and then there's fast/planning. So the low-high actually is more at the model API level, and that controls how much thinking the model is going to be doing on every single invocation. The planning versus fast is more around the tools that we actually provide the agent. So in planning mode, we give the agent additional tools to generate artifacts or group tasks, as you see in the conversation view. And you can use that to essentially trade off between the speed of getting a response and then the depth that you're getting the response. Last question. Hi Antigravity team, first thanks for the wonderful work you're doing. Thanks. Can you deep dive on best practice to use skills and rules? I struggle with rules, the agent seems to not look at them unless I specifically tell it. First off, sorry that's happening to you. We're constantly trying to improve the experience of users being able to add customizations to the agent. But on rules versus skills specifically, one way to think about these is that rules can be left more for the things that we want to be generally true for the agent to follow. Think of things like the languages I speak or general best practices for the code base as a whole. I try to keep them relatively short because this is something that the agent will always look at. On the other hand, skills are great for progressive discovery. So these might not be kind of instructions that we want to provide on every single task, but if the description seems relevant to the agent, then the agent can go in and pull in the rest of the context of exactly how I want to complete that task. Hopefully that distinction helps in thinking about rules versus skills. That's it for this month. We got so many more things on the way, like a lot. But please leave us a comment if there's something that you want to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next Mission Report.